South Atlantic. Dean. Now Dean is going to show you how it's supposed to be done.
That's a little you actually write on the body, right? Then you can put it in the love for your webpage.
Exactly.
Well, Dean Agnew, Shacklin Riverkeeper, Southeastern representative, and we'll try to keep it on a tight schedule. Tom Ford said if you keep it under 15 minutes, the whole Southeast gets a bottle of bourbon. So,
All right.
Southeast runs, and obviously I can't do justice in terms of the few minutes I have up here. We work well with the Gulf region. We're working on a lot of campaigns like Get the Dirt Out, Muddy Water Watch, Pure Farms, Pure Water campaigns. And really just collectively, I think the most impressive thing is about, I'd say 3/4 of our 22 keeper programs have been here over 5 years. And we have a lot of bright new river keepers coming in, and they know what's expected of them. And I think, as Casey talked about, we all believe we can win. And I think that's the most amazing thing about the movement. So with that said, come on up here, new water keepers. Come on, you should be up here already. Right, Bobby? Come on. All right, Elaine, thank you. Cyrus Buffy from Charleston Waterkeeper, South Carolina.
Good evening, guys. My name is Cyrus Buffalo. I'm Charleston Waterkeeper, South Carolina. Thank you, Gene. Charleston, South Carolina, our two top economic dependencies are our tourism industry and our port industry. And as a result, a lot of our issues are related to those two variables right there. I'm not going to bore you guys with the details, I guess, of our efforts over the past 9 months, but we are brand new. I founded the organization 9 months ago, September 16th, and we've been off and running. So I want to thank everyone who's helped me out over the past 9 months, past year actually, and I'm really looking forward to learning a lot from all of you this week. So thank you.